This is me walking through Berlin Tiergarten, recording a bunch of Foley sounds. You can check them out now on districtaudio.com, also partially for free in the free demo pack. And yeah, the whole point was to create a sample pack for techno producers or melodic techno producers in Berlin, recording a bunch of sounds that Berlin has to offer. So yeah, I recorded these sounds and walked through different parks, different areas, different districts in Berlin. And you can check it out now on districtaudio.com. There is a free demo pack available. Get it now. And yeah, have a beautiful day.